Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the folder you want to lock. Back it up and confirm your Android version so the app will work. Next, install a reputable folder lock or file manager app from the Play Store. Once installed, grant storage and file access permissions so the app can manage the USB folder. If the app asks for device admin to enforce protection, enable it now, but make sure you understand what that permission allows. This gets you into the actionable setup quickly and safely. Once the app has access, create or open its secure vault and place the USB folder contents into an encrypted container. This protects data at rest. Then choose a strong PIN or password and enable biometric unlock if available for convenience. Additionally, set an auto-lock timeout so the vault locks automatically. Make sure the app's lock scope matches your goal. App only hides data inside the file manager, folder level locks the path, and USB mount options protect files when external storage is attached. Finish by testing. Lock the vault, unmount and remount the USB folder, then unlock to verify persistence. Make sure recovery options are configured, write down a recovery key or enable cloud backups so you won't lose access. If something goes wrong, first check app permissions and that the app can access the USB path. Then confirm the Android version supports the app's encrypted containers and that storage is not mounted read-only. If needed, reinstall the app or restore from your backup to recover files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.